Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? It's our learning time. Are you ready? Today I'm going to tell you a story. So I'm starting my story. Once there was a boy. His name was Ali. Ali was very naughty boy, but very creative and always busy in doing activities. One day in the morning, Ali was waiting for his school van. He was standing near the stairs. He saw the stairs and he started counting the stairs in forward counting. Now Ali started counting the stairs from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now Ali wants to come back. Now Ali started counting the stairs in backward counting. Ali started from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, Ali's school van was there and he went to school. Now kids, today we are going to learn forward counting. And forward counting starts from 1. Now let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, dear kids, we are going to learn backward counting. And backward counting starts from 10. Now start with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, we did it. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.